Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create new Figma file. First, after logging into your Figma account, you will see your dashboard. Look for the prominent New Design File button, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this button will instantly open a brand new, blank canvas, ready for you to begin your design project. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds. Once your new file is open, you'll notice three main sections. The large central area is your canvas, where all your design magic happens. On the left, the sidebar helps you organize layers, components, and pages within your project. To the right, another sidebar displays detailed properties and settings for any element you select, allowing for precise adjustments and customization. To kickstart your design, a great first step is to use the Frame tool. This allows you to define specific screen sizes or artboards for your project, like a mobile phone or a desktop display. You can also easily drag and drop existing components from your asset panel, or use the basic shape tools to quickly draw rectangles, circles, and other fundamental elements. One of Figma's best features is its automatic saving. You never have to worry about losing your progress. Every change you make is saved instantly to the cloud. When you're ready to collaborate or get feedback, simply click the Share button at the top right. You can then invite specific people via email or create a shareable link for broader access, making teamwork seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.